Namaste, friends. Today we shall make a very simple yet highly nutritious breakfast recipe. We can just make this recipe within 15 minutes. We just have to keep the fresh grated coconut and nut milks ready. And it is the best breakfast we can have in our busy mornings. Just add some water and soaked and peeled almonds into the Vitamix jar and it will nicely grind it into milk. Even the big pieces of the fresh peeled coconut can be added into the Vitamix and it nicely grates into small fine powder form which we can store it in a box like this. If we add some water and grind it, it nicely becomes coconut milk. We can just filter and use it. We just need few ingredients like red rice flakes, soaked and dried nuts and seeds, dry fruits like dates and raisins, fresh coconut, soaked and peeled almonds, A2 cow ghee, water, rice bran powder, some spice powders for taste and digestion. Also, the antioxidant rich melted jaggery and the nutritious banana can also be added, but it is optional. So, first we take the red rice flakes. They are easily available in the market. Rinse them once gently with water. We can use the rinsed water to nourish our plants as well. Then add fresh water just enough to soak these flakes. After 3 to 4 minutes, just drain the water in which we soaked the flakes. This drained water contains beneficial bacteria, which is very good to replenish good gut bacteria. And so it's very helpful to just consume it as such, or even we can mix it with buttermilk and consume. Then spread the flakes on a plate with holes like this and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. We would find the flat flakes turn into fluffy and flowing texture. Next, take a steel, iron, bronze, or clay pot and add a teaspoon of A2 cow milk ghee. Then add your preferred nuts and seeds you have. I usually store the soaked and dried nuts and seeds in glass jar bottles like this. Roast them till they start changing color to golden brown and then add a teaspoon of rice bran flour. Rice bran is highly rich in B complex vitamins and fiber, which forms the food for our gut friendly bacteria. And continue to roast till we get a nice aroma from the roasted rice bran flour. Then add the dry fruits you have. Here I have added raisins and dates. Just roast for few seconds and then mix the red flakes that we have spread in the plate. Mix all the ingredients well and just close the lid for few minutes. Then add the spices like cardamom powder. I usually keep a mixture of cardamom powder, dry ginger powder, and pepper powder so that it not only enhances the taste of the dish but also kindles the digestive fire in our stomach, helping to digest all the rich nuts and nut milks used in the dish. Give a nice mix and close the lid so that all the flavors will blend well. At this point, you can add fresh coconut milk or grated coconut. Give it a one last stir and close the lid. That's it. Our yummy breakfast is ready here. You may add little fresh grated coconut if you like to have the texture to be dry and chewy form. Otherwise, you may even add little extra coconut milk or almond milk from top if you prefer having your breakfast in liquid form or semi solid form. Though we all belong to the same family, we still have differences in our likes and dislikes, and so we prefer different tastes in our food also. So, making a breakfast in this customized manner will make everybody happy at home. We can also accompany this delicious breakfast with an energizing banana. Let us remember the beautiful friendship of Lord Krishna and Sudama during this auspicious time of Janmashtami, where the Lord is so much pleased with the little rice flakes that Sudama offers, and the Lord blesses Sudama's family in return with abundant wealth and happiness. Let us share whatever little we have with everybody around us, taking shelter at the lotus feet of the Lord. and lead a blissful life filled with blessings, contentment, and happiness. Let us all make and enjoy this quick, tasty, and nourishing breakfast and have a relaxed mornings. If you have any questions in making this breakfast, kindly join Unify Eco Friendly Products Telegram group and all your questions will be answered. Thank you.